Hi mense, weet julle, ek wil vandag dit vir julle noem. Sy kan maar mooi is, of die mooiste is, of die minder die mooiste is. Mense gaan nog altyd fout vind met jou. Kom ons saam my. No matter what you do, good or bad, people will always have something negative to say about you. Either they like you or they don't. Never try to convince somebody of your worth. If a person doesn't appreciate you, laat hom gaan. Respect yourself and be with people that truly value you. No matter how broke you are, learn not to take any offer that comes with disrespectful. Vir my, die lewe is vir my soos 'n kamera. Focus on the good times, and if things don't work out, as dinge nie uitwerk vir my nie, dan vat ek net 'n ander foto. En whatever mense gesê het van jou, elke dit teorie ek nodig het. Smile, sodat hulle kan dink, sy weet nie wat sy praat nie. Ja, spoil ek die hele ding vir nou.